Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, welcome back to Daily Doodles. Today I'm going to show you how to draw the character Clover from the show Totally Spies. So I'm going to start drawing Clover with her eyes. I'm going to start closer towards the top of the page because Clover's pretty tall. And I may not fit her entire body in this sheet of paper, but we'll see. Alright, so I'm going to start with an eye, and I'm going to make a little shape like that. And then I'm going to do another little eyelash here, and thicken up this area a bit. And then draw the inside part of the eye. And we're going to do a little line here on the bottom and do a eyebrow up top. Next, let's do the nose. Come on down a little bit past the eye and do a little funny shape like that. And now let's do the other eye. So it's similar to the first one, but a little bit different. Got our two eyelashes here. I'm going to color them in black with my pen. And the inside part of the eye, very similar to what we did over there. Color it in black. And we can do a little line here on the bottom. And now eyebrow. All right, so now let's do a little smile. And I'm going to do a bottom lip and a little top lip. And a little line here underneath. And now we can work on the face shape. Come on out a little bit here for a cheek and come on down and over. And now for a bit of hair, we can come on down, bring this line here down, and over here, or swoop on down, do a piece right there, and then come on up. And this part here is going to be kind of pointy. And then it curves up. And then we've got a rounded spot here for the back of the head. And then we can come on out. And on this side, we can come on out. And down. And same on this side. So let's see, before I do any more of the hair, let's do a line here for the neck and another line here. And come on up. And we're doing a bit of a collar here, a V-shaped collar for the neck. And line there, little line there. And then we're going to come on down, over and up, and then follow along that same shape, and then do a line there. And a little bit of a shoulder here. And we can bring this line over. Now on this side, we're going to do down, over, and up, same as we did here, and then follow that shape and do a little line there for the inside. And right here, we can come out a little bit, and then come on in, and then bring this line down. Right here, we're going to do part of an arm, a little bit of an armpit right here. Bring this line over. And right here, we can bring this line inward. And we're going to kind of curve it out. And over here, we can do another shoulder. And I'm going to bring a line here for the arm and bring that down. Now right here, we're going to bring a line down. It's going to follow that same curve. And over here, same thing, following a curve and then coming on downward. And a line in the middle that's going to do the same thing. Now, right here, we're going to do part of the arm. And we're going to put a hand on the hip. So curve on up. And we got part of a hand here now. So we got 1 finger, 2, 3, do another one. And then we will bring this line up. And this line comes down a bit. And now we're going to do a big curve here. And over here we can bring this hairline here to the neck and do a few little pieces like this. And we can do a little wavy line here and one over here. And curve on up. And a line like that. That helps to show some shine in her hair. And over here, we're going to do a little circle, then a shape like that, and another one. And now we are ready to get started with our coloring. So you can see, because I was drawing her face so big, I certainly didn't have room on my page for the rest of her body. But that's okay. Let's get going. Let's start coloring from here. Alright, so we were all finished drawing Clover. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope to see you back here tomorrow for whatever we draw next. Bye!